Hey friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and today I've done a full face of Sarah Creal makeup. There are definitely some really great products, including my favorite concealer, but I want to break down what I love and what maybe I won't purchase again. Sarah Creal definitely stands out as a brand that is wonderful for mature skin. For those of you brand new, I am a 54-year-old master in medical esthetician, and I love all things skincare, facial rejuvenation, beauty, and living beautifully from the inside out. If those are things that you love too, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. I'd love you to be a part of the Gorgeously Aging community. Today I started out with the Brilliant Repair Shield. This is an SPF 50. It is very hydrating and sheer, it blends in well, and I personally love the packaging. This is a very fluid formula that's easy to blend into the skin. If you have really oily skin, you may not like this because it is a very hydrating formula, and it definitely has some luminosity, leaving the skin looking healthy, vibrant, and hydrated. I really do love this sunscreen for how it hydrates my mature, dry skin, but I can't say it's the best sunscreen I've ever used. I would definitely consider purchasing this one again. It's not bad by any means, and I do love how nourishing it is on the skin, and that it's an SPF 50. My absolute favorite concealer on my 54-year-old under eyes is the Sarah Creal Flex Concealer. This is actually called Face Flex, so I use this under my eyes and around my face where I need extra coverage. For that reason, I do have it in two colors. I have the 3 and the 5. I use the lighter one, the 3, underneath my eyes, and the 5 through other areas of the face that maybe need a little bit more coverage. This is a truly beautiful, flexible concealer that doesn't settle into fine lines and wrinkles. It gives beautiful coverage without looking heavy or cakey, and it lasts really well throughout the day. There's nothing I dislike more than a really heavy coverage, kind of dry and mattifying concealer on my mature skin. I feel like that emphasizes every imperfection, and this is definitely a product that looks smooth on the skin. Aside from the concealer, my favorite product by Sarah Creal is this contour bronzer product. It is so smooth and creamy, and it's not overly opaque. It blends in without even trying. I think products that are more sheer as opposed to heavily opaque are more flattering on mature skin. This one is in the color Just Like Paradise, and it is just so creamy, emollient, and beautiful. You can definitely build it up if you want a more intense look, but it is so easy to blend, and the formula, it's just like butter. This is the Speak For Yourself Mansplain Hydrating Lipstick. I'm using this both on my cheeks for a sheer blush and on my lips. I'm also later in this video going to top it with a little lip gloss that is so beautiful. I do really love this color, and let me swatch this because the formula is very sheer, and I like that. You get a nice bit of color, but it's not heavily opaque. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's just a nice, sheer, beautifully hydrating formula. I have been finding myself gravitating to more sheer to mid-opacity lipsticks just because I think it's a bit more flattering on my mature lips and something slightly more hydrating that plumps the lips and helps smooth out the lip lines. Speaking of lip lines, I forgot to mention this, so we're going to go back and watch me put this on. This is a really interesting product. I can't say I've used anything like this before. This is the Lip Grip Line Filler, and this does incredibly kind of smooth out those surface lip lines. Now, it's not a plumping product. It doesn't make your lips feel hot. It doesn't have any uncomfortable tingling or burning. It's really more about this surface texture of the lips. So I definitely don't use this as a lip balm. I use this just to smooth out the surface of the lips, and it is so good. I love this eyeliner, and I'm kind of surprised by that because I usually don't like eyeliner that has any kind of sparkle to it. This one is absolutely beautiful. This is the Creamy Kohl Longwear eyeliner, and the color is Twilight Smoke. It is just so beautiful. So look at that shimmer. It just catches the light so beautifully. So I used it both to define the upper eyelid and slightly as an eyeshadow by blending that into the upper eyelid. I also used it on the lower lash line, and it's just such a pretty look. I thought maybe the shimmery or glittery pieces in this formula would draw too much attention or be too drastic, but it's really quite subtle once it's on the eye. It's such a subtle sheen. So I have to say, for my tiny little eyelashes, I generally don't wear just mascara alone, but if I do, I would consider wearing this mascara. The formula is nice, and I actually surprisingly like this kind of hourglass brush detail. It's different than what I usually gravitate towards as far as mascara wands. I usually like a really delicate wand. This one is kind of in the middle. It's not delicate, but it's not super fluffy. I find with my tiny little eyelashes, if the brush is too big, it's just hard to coat my tiny little lashes. Now, having said that, I don't wear mascara alone typically. I almost always put on lashes. So I may not be the best person to recommend mascara, but I wanted to throw that out there. Definitely do some more research. I think the packaging on this one is beautiful. All of the Sarah Creal components or makeup packaging are all high quality and beautifully made. Now, something I didn't put on in the video, but I'm going to share with you now, is the highlight. This is the Today's highlight in the color This Just In. Again, super creamy, just like the contour bronzer. And I'm going to go ahead and just dab this on my cheeks and a little on my eyelids. I do really love this color. It just gives a fresh, dewy glow to the high points of the face. I'm going to put a little on my nose. You could even apply this to the lips. And then just a little bit on the eyelid. Just to catch the light right in the center. You can see the packaging of the highlighter is just like the contour bronzer, and I love the detail. Both really nice quality packaging. And last but definitely not least is the lip gloss. This color is so beautiful to top your lipstick or to wear alone. This is the No Further Questions lip gloss in the color On Top. This is so beautiful. It has a slightly peachy nude undertone. Of all of these products, the things I'm most impressed with are the Face Flex, the contour bronzer product, so creamy and beautiful. I did not expect to love this as much as I do. This is the Lip Grip Line Filler. It is so good for aging lips. And I also really, really love the lip gloss. The lipstick is super nice too, but there's something about this lip gloss that I just love. It is so light and hydrating on the lips without being sticky, and it looks beautiful on its own or over top of lip liners and other lipsticks. If you've tried anything by Sarah Creal, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know what you've tried and what you've loved and what you didn't like so much. Because I typically wear lashes, I probably wouldn't buy the mascara again, and I'm on the fence about the sunscreen. I don't dislike it, but I don't love it as much as some of the other products. Thank you so much for watching and spending a piece of your day with me. I will see you in my next video.